Hello everyone, how to solve this nice algebra problem. So here we have the two simultaneous equations with two variables. So if we have x plus y equals 10 and xy equals 200, we solve this problem for the values of x and y. Here first we take this is equation number 1 and we take this is our equation number 2. So here we first focus on equation number 1, and so from equation number 1 we have here we move this x to the right hand side and we get the value of y equals to 10 minus x, and we call this is our equation number 3. So further you see here we need to substitute the value of y in equation number 2, so that our equation number 2 is implies that this is xy and we have the value of y is 10 minus x and this is equals to 100. So here we need more simplifications and it will be written as this is 10 times of x minus x times of x becomes x square equals to 100. Okay, so after this step here you see that this is quadratic equation but not into the standard form. So now here first we convert this into the standard form, so that we need to move these two terms to the right hand side. So when you move this minus x square to the right hand side, it will becomes plus x square. This plus 10x becomes here minus 10x, and this 100 is already placed in right hand side. It is becomes plus 100, and this whole equals to 0. So further you see here this equation will becomes quadratic in x variable, so that now we solve this quadratic equation by applying the quadratic formula. So first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 10, and c equals to 100. So we know about the quadratic formula. It is stated as minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is the our quadratic formula, and now we need to substitute the values of a, b and c in this formula. So first we substitute the value of b. The value of b is minus 10. We substitute it here, minus times of minus 10 plus minus square root of b square. B is minus 10 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 100, and it is divided by 2 times of a. The value of a is equals to 1. So here we need to simplify the terms, and we have x equals to, this is minus times of minus becomes plus 10, and plus minus square root of minus 10 square equals to 100, and 4 times of 100 becomes 400, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. Okay, so after this step we have x is equals to, this is 10 and plus minus, this is 100 minus 400 is equals to minus 300, and it is divided by 2. Okay, so now you see that here we have the negative term becomes inside the square root sign. So we write this separately in this form: 10 plus minus square root of 300 into square root of minus 1 divided by 2. So here we have x equals 10 plus minus, here you have 300. So we write this 300 as 100 multiplied by 3, and we have the square root of minus 1 equals to iota, and it is divided by 2. So we have x is equals to 10 plus minus, here we separate the square root on both of these terms, and it will be written as a square root of 100 into square root of 3 into iota, and here we divide it by 2. Okay, so now after this step here we need to open this square root sign, and it will be written as x is equals to 10 plus minus. We know that the square root of 100 is equals to 10 into square root of 3 into iota, and here we separate this 2 on each of these terms, and it will be divided by separately by 2. Okay, so now we cancelled these terms, and it will be written as this is 2 5s are 10, and this is also 2 5s are 10. So we obtain here x is equals to 5 plus minus 5 times of square root of 3 into iota. So these are the two values of x. And now here we need to find the corresponding values of y. So that here first we write these two values separately. First we write the positive value. It is 5 plus 5 into square root of 3 iota, and here we write the negative value. It is x equals 5 minus 5 into square root of 3 iota. So these are the two values of x. And now here we need equation number 3, so that our equation number 3 is implies that equation number 3 is y is equals to 10 minus x, and here we substitute the above two values of x. So now first here we divide this into the two cases. So we have y is equals to 10 minus x, and the value of x is 5 plus 5 into square root of 3 iota. So here we need to multiply this negative sign on each of these terms, and it will be written as 10 minus 5 into square root of 3 iota. So here we have the value of y is equals to 10 minus 5 becomes 5 minus 5 into square root of 3 iota. So this is the value of y, and corresponding to the value of x is this one. So further you see here we have the second value of x is equals to 5 minus 5 times the square root of 3 iota. We substitute it here, and it will be written as y is equals to 10 minus x. The value of x is 5 minus 5 into square root of 3 iota. Here we need to multiply this negative sign on both of these terms, and it will be written as 10 minus 5 plus 5 into square root of 3 iota. So here we have y is equals to 10 minus 5 is equals to 5 plus 5 into square root of 3 iota. So this is the value of y, and corresponding to the value of x is this one. Okay, so finally we have the two solutions of the given equation are, the first solution is x1 and y1 is equals to, so here we write the value of x1. So we call this is the value of x1, 5 plus 5 into square root of 3 iota. So we write it here, 5 plus 5 into square root of 3 iota. The value of y is 5 minus 5 into square root of 3 iota. Similarly, the second solution is x2 and y2 is equals to, the value of x2 is 5 minus 5 into square root of 3 iota, and the value of y is 5 plus 5 into square root of 3 iota. So these are the two solutions of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.